Welcome to part 2 of this koi pond tote bag painting tutorial. In the previous video, we completed the pond background and the lotus leaves. Today, we'll finish the koi fish and add all the final details that bring this painting to life. To complete the fins, I'm using white paint. I intentionally leave some areas unpainted so the background remains visible through them, creating the soft, translucent look of real koi fins. For the tail, I use white with a little of the background color. This helps maintain the transparent effect and gives the tail a more natural appearance. To create the texture of the fish scales, I first dampen the surface of the fish. Then, using a mixture of orange tones, I paint irregular curved lines and gently soften them into the base color. This simple technique creates the illusion of overlapping scales without painting each one individually. Next, I paint the small air bubbles created by the koi as they swim. I use the same technique as I did for the fins, leaving part of the background visible while adding white highlights to build up clusters of bubbles. Finally, I sign the painting. Since this is a one-of-a-kind hand-painted tote bag, I always finish it with my signature. If you'd like to own one of my original hand-painted tote bags, you'll find the link to my Etsy shop in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss my future painting projects. See you in the next video.